How y'all doing today? Hey, hey, hey. What up, y'all? It's your girl, Jazzy J. And I just want to say, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What up, y'all? I am back again another week. This week, however, your girl is back to the natural. I had my protective style in for 2 weeks. It held me down for those 2 weeks. I didn't have to do my hair, but I was kind of missing it. So now I am back with Susie. That's what I named my hair, Susie. So this week I am going to do a wash and go, right? And I am going to try the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and I'm going to pair it with the Afro Sheen, my favorite. This has become my favorite, okay? I'm going to pair those. It's the Texture Setting Cream Gel. I'm going to pair those two together. Because I didn't record a video the last time I did this, I am going to record it this time so y'all can see it. This good old As I Am curl color. In hot red. It's hot red. Hot red. So that's what I'm going to do, y'all. This should be a fast, quick, and easy hairdo. I have already washed and conditioned my hair with my leave-in conditioner. You know, I got my leave-in conditioner. And I just put these twists in just so, you know, they can hold up until I get ready to get right to it.
So I am starting off in sections by removing my twist. It's been a long time since I've done a twist out. I think it's time for me to do a twist out for you guys. I'll be using this wave comb in conjunction with my stylist throughout the video. I'm going to first start off with the Camille Rose Curl Maker and then add the Afro Sheen Texture Setting Gel on top. I will complete this process throughout the remainder of my hair until it's time for me to add my color. cannot tell y'all what song I was singing, but I'm sure it was a whole vibe. Now, it's time for the color. I only wanted the color on the tips to give it an ombre effect. So I'm going to section my hair off and apply the color just as I did my stylers. Ooh, that's red, y'all. I will continue to apply the color throughout the remainder of my hair, and once I'm finished applying the color, I will sit under the dryer for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. I would advise you to wear gloves when applying this color because the red is really red, hence the name Hot Red. And some of the residue from the color stays on your hands after you've washed them. Stay tuned to see the final result.
So, hi guys, I'm back. This is how it turned out, y'all. Like, okay. Y'all, I love this red color. I love it. I know I say that in all my videos, but no, not all of them. It was one that I said I didn't like when I did them cocoon curls. Nah, not me. Didn't work out. But this is how it turns out. This is with me using the As I Am Hot Red Curl color, the temporary hair color. So yeah, guys, I'm telling you, it is so pretty. You see that? And using the curl maker and that Afro Sheen texture setting gel. I always get tongue tied when I say that. Texture setting gel. Afro Sheen. Y'all, this wash and go. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Little redhead coming through. Anywho. So, today we're going to talk about the importance of forgiving one another. So, forgiveness is usually something hard for us to do simply because we feel like we've been wrong and the person needs to pay for whatever they did. We were hurt, you know, and quite frankly, sometimes we don't feel like the other person deserves our forgiveness. Whenever we start to feel like that, we just need to think about what Christ did on the cross for us. None of us deserves his forgiveness, but he loved us enough to make a way for us to be forgiven. Forgiveness is pretty much clearing someone of a debt that you feel like they owe. Just wiping it clean. You have a credit card and you owe $10,000. And the credit card company calls and says, you know what? We'll settle if you pay this amount. That's not forgiveness. Forgiveness is if the credit card company calls you and says your debt is wiped clean. You owe absolutely nothing. We've taken care of it all. That is what forgiveness is. And that is how we are supposed to treat people. Jesus said, red letters, y'all, red letters. But Jesus said in the Gospels that we are to forgive 70 times 7. And he wasn't saying that that was the only time we're supposed to forgive. That's how many times we're supposed to forgive. He's saying we are to forgive continuously. As long as we have to forgive somebody, we should forgive somebody. So I just want to encourage you, if you're holding any unforgiveness in your heart, please make it right. You can just simply talk to God and say, God, you know what? I forgive this person of this sin or this hurt that they caused me, and I give it to you, God. It's all in your hands. You do whatever you please with it. And anytime it comes back up, you say, God, I forgave them of this. I do not hold this against them. This does not belong in my life. I pray that everyone will forgive and let go. So guys, thank you again for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And as always, can you please give me a thumbs up? Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell to get the notifications when I upload my new video. I also want to thank my beautiful subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. And as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and always trust the process. Bye.